You know, when you are German, you, at least a German of my generation, you grow up with a lot of guilt that can at times be quite vague. You know, I mean, it's like I certainly grew up. You know, when I was in another country, I would lower my voice so as not to offend people with the sound of German and stuff like that. And so I think I don't think I've ever really encountered any hostility, but I think that I was sometimes expecting hostility, and that there was a lot that was internalized that did not actually come from the outside. The weirdest experience that I ever had was in my dentist's office when an old couple came towards me and very excitedly said, "Are you German? We thought we detected a German accent." And I said, "Yes." And they said, "We both speak German. We were both in German camps." And I just didn't know what to do with this information, you know. I don't remember what I said, but that was one of the most difficult moments ever for me.